silly tutorial. So, well, to my defense, I just record this video so that I don't forget and this reminds me. So, today we are going to address gap issues with Mint devs and can be helpful if you are developing a web application or just Figma to code. Let's say I have two devs, two, let's say, P's. One P is 1P and the second one is 2P. Okay, second P, let's say. Okay, so you can see by default the size between these two is way too high. Okay, like the spacing, and what if I don't want that much spacing? So the issue is by default there are some spacing constraints by VS Code and browser related constraints. So what we are gonna do is we just need to have a simple line margin 0 between both. Can work if we like try on the first one, but on the safe side for two. Okay, so now your spacing is improved so much. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.